All right, what we're looking at here at Avatier's 2020 Credential Provider. This credential provider runs on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 workstations, as well as all of the server offerings from Microsoft. The purpose of this credential provider, especially during these times of the pandemic, and we have so many people working from home, is to help reset those locally cached credentials of the workstation when a user is locked out. Specifically, this is designed for workstations that are corporate resources, so it could be a corporate workstation, a corporate laptop, and it does not need to be connected through VPN for it to work. A lot of corporations have their workforce not even logging in through VPN to access a lot of the cloud applications directly. So this really works for those type of workers. Of course, it will work also if you're on VPN. So the way that this works is you may come to your workstation. In this case, the user is logged out. Maybe the computer was rebooted and maybe the power drained and they plugged it back in. We're going to press Control-Delete, as you see right here. And you'll see that there's a message down below here in capital letters that says, click here to reset/unlock your password. So by clicking that button, this is going to launch a secure browser, one that has been proven out by the U.S. military and other U.S. highly secure U.S. government sites. This secure browser only goes to the personalized Avatier password management page configured by each company. You'll see that we're showing off our new CAPTCHA, one of our CAPTCHAs. This is a very simple CAPTCHA, just to make it a little bit easier than having to pick a tree and doing things of that nature. This particular browser cannot go to any other page. Of course, you can point this browser to an internal portal that might have a link to forgot password off of that portal. So this can be integrated with any portals that your company is exposing to the end. As we click OK, the main screen comes up for forgot password, and that's what we will click on here to reset the password. As we do that, you'll see that Avatier supports a multitude of MFA options. There's several vendors that are not listed here, such as Ping and Radius and a whole bunch of other MFA providers. But this gives the user a choice. Obviously, if the user only has Duo Push, these other items would not appear. In this case, we'll use Duo Push to reset our password and unlock our account. And as we click continue here, we'll send the push notification down to the user's mobile device. Once they do approve it, the solution will automatically detect that that mobile device was authenticated. And as soon as it's authenticated, you'll get to a screen here where you will list all of your applications that are running either in the cloud or on-premise. In this case, we just have SAP on-premise and Active Directory on-premise, but you could also have other systems like Salesforce or SuccessFactors, cloud applications, other on-premise solutions like AS400 or JD Edwards, mainframes, etc. So in this case, we'll click continue, and you'll see the checkbox down below, which allows you to reset your locally cached credentials. And that can be configured globally, and I believe it can be set so the user cannot uncheck that. So in this case, we're typing in a strong password. If the password was weak, you would get the list of reasons why the password is weak. In this case, you get a strong indicator the passwords match. So we'll go ahead and click continue to reset your password. And in that case, it will sync that locally cached password on this workstation and with the corporate password as well. And once you have done this, you're more than welcome to close this out after it says it successfully reset the password. You can log out or you could press close. Either way, once the browser is closed, you're brought back to the login screen and you can log in now with your new password. And also included in this latest credential provider are in 2020, lots of incorporated patches from third parties like Microsoft and others. So keep your credential providers updated and work with Avatier to be on the latest at all in all times. Thank you.